Welcome to another unboxing from the Coffee Monsterz Co. I love this job and my goal is to have it all. So I was able to get one of the pouches, clips, and washi tapes. So I'm very excited about this purchase and the tote too. So keep on watching. Of course, I had to get more stickers. I think this is my third or fourth order. I'm not exactly sure, but I think it's my fourth order. And I really love using the stickers to, represent my mood and how I'm feeling throughout the day. I am currently using the Hobonichi cousin, and I love using the dailies. So definitely using stickers make so much more sense, I guess. I don't know. Here I am with the nose pen, which I will try. And yeah, this is for the weeklies and trying new things at the gym. Of course, getting paid. Excuse my chicken. And some of the stickers mention those times where I'm low. Like, the PMS is real, just being tired, and so tired, right? And low energy. There's one sticker sheet that, oh my god, I love it. Well, I love that one. And this is the second time I use this one. I really look forward to using that one. This is my favorite. It looks so cool. And of course, this represents me after working out hours. 9 clients, it's hard, but it's doable, I guess. And yeah, for my cat and paydays, just to track it beautifully, even though that you're tracking it manually, but okay. And my dogs, my kitty and my dogs. I have both. I'm excited. Honestly, I just love how Helen puts so much passion into her designs. I've been watching her for years since she started, and since I was using another thing, I was not able to use her stickers, but now that I'm able to, I'm so excited. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying by. And the last most beautiful thing, it's the tote. This beautiful tote can hold so much stuff, honestly. I mean, look at the beautiful design. Here you can put your phone and 2 pens. And inside I have my iPad, my Hobonichi, that's my Hobonichi, and my journal and my binder for stickers. Once again, thank you for watching. Till the next time.